Hello friends, welcome to Parulka Zaika. Today I am going to make makhana kheer for fasting. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 100 grams fox nuts, 1 liter full cream milk, 100 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 8 to 10 almonds cut in length, 8 to 10 pistachios cut in length, 1 teaspoon saffron, and 1 tablespoon clarified butter. First, in a pan, put clarified butter, fox nut and roast it on a medium flame until it gets crispy. Now we'll keep it to cool down. Now in a mixer jar, put roasted fox nuts and grind it coarsely. Now in a pan, put milk and let it boil. Now put sugar and stir it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Now add saffron, fox nuts and mix well and cook it until milk gets half on medium flame. Now add almonds, pistachios, cardamom powder and mix it. Delicious makhana kheer is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.